Hello and a warm welcome to this Python programming course. I'm your guide, Arnold, on this journey to explore the power and versatility of Python. Python isn't just a language, it's a tool that can open up a world of possibilities for you. Python is like a multi-tool in the world of programming languages. It's incredibly adaptable and can be used in a wide variety of applications, from building intricate web applications to crunching large datasets in data science. From scripting automations to powering artificial intelligence, Python does it all. Its flexibility means that as a Python developer, you'll always have an array of options at your disposal. Another fantastic advantage of Python is its supportive and vibrant community. No matter where you are on your coding journey, you can always count on the Python community for help. Whether you're looking for a solution to a coding problem or seeking advice on best practices, you'll find a wealth of information available. This community support is invaluable and makes learning Python even more rewarding. Python's readability is another of its superpowers. It's designed to be easy to understand and write, which makes it a great choice for beginners. But don't mistake its simplicity for lack of power. Python's syntax is clean, but it packs a punch. The job market for Python programmers is booming. There's a high demand for Python skills in a variety of fields: web development, data analysis, AI, and more. By adding Python to your skill set, you're making yourself more marketable and opening up a range of job opportunities. In this video, we've touched upon the benefits of learning Python, its versatility, community support, readability, and the high demand in the job market. We've also introduced you to our Python course, which will provide you with hands-on experience and a solid foundation in Python programming. By the end of this course, you'll have a strong understanding of Python. You'll be able to use this powerful language to solve real-world problems, develop complex applications, and even kickstart a new career. So, are you ready to explore the world of Python programming? It's time to begin this exciting journey. Here's to your success in Python programming. See you in the course.